we are reviewing another smartwatch, but this one's a little bit different. It costs around about £21 to buy, so it's not expensive. And as always, I'll stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. This is a little bit different because you don't have to connect it to your smartphone. You can just run it like a normal watch, and also it will still work out your calories, your distance and everything else that it needs to do. Yeah, this is a smartwatch, but a smartwatch that can be on its own. It doesn't have to connect to an app. It can work it all out itself. So with that, let's get on with it and do the unboxing and see what we're going to get for £21. Yeah, baby. Right, like I said, it's a smart one, and this is actually for someone else. God, that was tough. Right then, a quick look around the box. It says fitness tracker. Like I said, it does do the tracking, calories, step, pedometer and distance, calories, step meter and distance repeated. Nothing really to talk about apart from it looks quite nice on the front. Let's do the unboxing. Do it from here. Like I said, you don't have to connect it to a smartphone. And that was it. It's all to do. Happy? Not happy. Right, get that out of the way. Done that bit. Document how to charge. Right, we have to charge it up. So it looks like it goes on USB, and I think I've done one similar to this before already. Get that out of the way. So yeah, plug it into USB, and you plug it in with insert the built-in USB plus into a USB port for charging. Yes, I will read that later. Instructions. What's this? Look, baby, guarantee, warranty. Yep. And yeah, just showing you how to charge it up. So let's undo it and see how easy it is to actually charge up. So how does that work? I'm going to have to read the instructions and get back to you. Right, I've had a quick read of the instructions, and basically it should just pull apart. So let's have a go. I want to see how easy it is to charge up. So this end, where the holes are, apparently pull that back, pull this back, and there you go. Ah, very clever. So it comes out of one unit. So what we're going to do now is get my USB and charge it up. Right, for this little demonstration, I'm going to be using my power bank, this little baby here. And let's plug her in. So it should go in like that. Oh, there it goes, straight away. Yeah, so that's working. Let's unplug it again. Let's come on with the time and date. Let's plug it back in. Yeah, so that works straight away. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it for a while because it needs charging up, and we'll give her a little test. Right, I've had to read the instructions, and it does sound quite simple. All you have to do is touch the little circle at the bottom, and that will navigate through all the different functions. And when you get to the settings, all you need to do is hold it in for a couple of seconds or hold it down, and it will allow you into the settings for you to make adjustments. Again, it is quite easy to do. Just take your time, be patient, but it is quite easy to do once you get your head around it. Adjusting the settings, it'll ask you to do the date, the time, things like that, and also what sex you are, whether you're female or male, how much you weigh, stuff like that. You will have to go through all that to do all the settings, and yeah, very easy to do. You know, just takes a few seconds to have a little think about what exactly you're doing, have a little play about of it, and away you go. Right, I've set it all up and it's working fine, and no, I don't have it here because my sister-in-law has it. It was for her originally anyway, and she wanted one that didn't connect to a smartphone because she doesn't have a smartphone. She's not very technical minded, and that I think would suit her better. It's easy to navigate. All you've got to do is just touch that little circle and go from A to B, and that is what she needs. She doesn't need anything where it connects to an app and it becomes a little bit complicated, because she wouldn't be able to handle it. But she's been round, she's had a play about it, she's happy with it, it does everything she wants it to do, and she said to me, yeah, it definitely gets her thumbs up. For the amount of money it costs, it gets my thumbs up as well. It's very easy to use. You know, you might have to read the book just to get started on going through the settings, but apart from that, it only took seconds, you know, maybe a minute or two at the most, but very easy to set up in the first place. Definitely gets my thumbs up. Let me know in the comments whether you think it's a nice little watch or a good idea. And with that, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Who's the man?